Right now, what I'm fixing to show you right here is a coon-ass table saw. I found me some table saws on Craigslist. They was cheap, like $100, $250. They had old ones from Craftsman, cast iron. They had brand new ones still in the box from the crackheads, whatever, for $100. Had everything you need, but the other day I had to buy me a Ryobi chop saw, and I didn't have no room for no table saw. And I gotta rip me some 1 by 12, 20 foot long. They're only 3/4. They're softwood, they're cedar. I mean redwood, but this is my ace engineer right here, Mr. Dwaron.
Oh, I didn't design that.
He ain't taking responsibility for nothing because he's scared I'm gonna slip on this thing here. But it's gonna make us a good job, I believe. And when I'm done, I'll take it all apart and throw all the boards in the trash and put my chop saw back together. That's a brand new little Ryobi right there. That's one of the high quality things they got at Home Depot. If it ain't made in China, they ain't got it. If it wasn't for China, there wouldn't be nothing on the shelf at Home Depot. Y'all wish us luck here.